Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to knowing and understanding popular IDEs for coding. So here this lecture I am going to showing a few of more popular IDEs to develop Java applications. Let's see here. First we are going to suggesting IntelliJ IDE. Yes, integrated development environment. IDE is a most whenever you are choosing an IDE, it's a highly important for beginners. What libraries it will support, how quickly you can build a clear and real world apps and projects using Java. It's a highly important to choose your IDEs. So IntelliJ IDE is having a latest and smart features to write quickly, and there itself you can run your code and see and also debug your code quickly by seeing the error messages and integrated libraries. Most features are latestly available in IntelliJ, and I strongly recommend we are going to conducting and taking all the sessions using this IntelliJ IDE, which is a community center edition, absolutely free. In future lectures, we'll show you how to install a step-by-step process to install getting a community center edition, which is a free, and also creating a project, start learning Java. This IDE will use. And the next one, Eclipse. This is the most popular and legacy IDE, which is also having a great library support, and also different themes are also there in this Eclipse IDE. The NetBeans IDE, which is the most popular and legacy IDE, and also you can use to learning and apply your real world projects. Visual Studio Code, which is absolutely free and open source. Visual Studio Code easily you can get and install quickly in less time in your computer system. BlueJ IDE, yes, which is the most popular for academic purpose, and having simply you can download a little bit small file and start learning to build your own projects for academic purpose and development tools who are entering and start learning with the lower configuration systems. And here, thanking you very strongly, I would like to share you which is the most comfortable, your comfortable IDE. If you are already learning and working with any one of the IDE which is more comfortable, yes, please go such a IDE and start learning Java, which are the concepts and logic of coding what we are writing and presenting. Thanking you.